CableTime 8-in-1 USB-C hub with a foldable stand for your iPad. Let's have a little look and see what's really good. Yes, what's good people? It's man like Jamo. We out here with the CableTime 8-in-1 USB-C hub thing. Big shout out to the guys at Cable Hub for sending this down for me to have a little look at, have a little play with, see if it's actually on job. We seem to have a USB-C hub with a stand. That's all that's going on right here. You can see all the ports that we got on the back. So what's that? HDMI, USB-A 3.0, USB-C 3.0, SD card and micro SD card. It looks like PD fast charging up to 100 watts, 3.5mm port, compatible with iPod Air and Android tablets. Okay, let's see the actual product itself. All right, now we got the thing right here. It looks very solid, fam. Obviously, I got a little cable. Comes with a little USB-C to USB-C cable with a little bit of CableTime branding on one side. But let's look at the actual dock itself, fam. So, got a little branding there in the middle. You got this soft touch material, which is what I'm assuming your phone or iPad or Android tablet is going to lean on. On the right-hand side, you got the USB-C out port, yeah? So this is going to carry all the information from your USB-C dock to your device, and also information from the device to the dock. Now on this left-hand side, you got a USB-C port, so that's the 3.0 port, capable of up to 5 gigabit per second transfer speeds. Got two more USB-A 3.0 ports, capable of the same transfer speeds, 3.5mm headphone jack and microphone jack, so combination porting, SD card reader and micro SD card ting. And at the back we got HDMI capable of 4K 60 maximum and a USB-C PD fast charging port, so obviously you can power whatever device you have connected to your external monitor. Nothing else really going on. On the bottom you got two little soft touch rubber feet to stop it sliding around on surfaces. Now to get this open, you got to manually pry it open, which is okay, there's no problem with that, but it would have been cool if there was, like, I don't know, a little release mechanism which automatically made it open up, because it's very stiff to open, fam, like mad stiff. Anyway, pull this bit out and you got your little stand for your tablet or your smartphone or even a laptop in some cases. I'll show you. But anyway, yeah, this is what it looks like. Obviously, you plug the USB-C cable from here into your tablet or smartphone, and then you get everything connected to an external monitor via the HDMI at the back. Let's go try this on my monitor in my room. Alright, we've got everything plugged in now. We've got the HDMI in the back of the ting. We got a USB-C port in the back of the ting, which is also connected to my power brick, charging any device that I plugged in. Now the device that we're going to use right now is actually a smartphone. It's the Motorola Edge 40 Pro. Now normally you can't use smartphones with these USB-C hubs. However, because my smartphone specifically has USB-C outs, it's got a little mini desktop mode that you unlock by plugging in a USB-C to HDMI device. So what I'm going to try and do with one hand, is this going to work with one hand? No, I need two hands. Hold on. Okay, so now that man's got the thing on there, let me just secure that cable into the bottom of the phone. It should come as a trackpad and then come up on here. Hey, there we go. So now, guys, man's using the phone as a trackpad. Man can use that to click and everything. And I've got like a full kind of Windows 11 experience going on, but in the Android OS system kind of thing, as you can see here. So man's got all my apps, all that kind of thing there. And obviously, and this is all running off my phone via the CableTime USB-C hub. And yeah, it works pretty well, fam. Like, there's no real latency. You can see how my finger is moving and how the mouse is moving on the screen at the same time, which means because there's no latency, I should be able to load up a video game and it should load up in full screen mode. Let me just see if that's the case. Hold on. Hey, there we go. Now we've got no sound at the moment, and that might be because I don't know why, for some reason. Oh, hold on, I know why there's no sound. There we go, the sound is working now. Because with my monitor there's two split screens, I have to tell my monitor whether I want sound from screen 1 or screen 2, and it was currently set to screen 1, which is my Windows PC, so I've now set it to screen 2, which is my smartphone. But yeah, it's pretty much good to go, touch to start kind of thing. Now, as we're here, we might as well make sure everything's working. So I just want to make sure the USB ports are working on this thing. And what better test than to try an actual mouse or a dongle from a mouse, plug that into the USB-C hub. And now I should, yeah, there we go. Now I should be able to use a proper mouse and all that kind of thing. So if I want to, do you know what? We might do the same with my keyboard. Let's do the same with my keyboard. There's a little dongle in the back of the keyboard right here. Sorry guys, I couldn't find the stand for my phone, so I'm doing this one-handed at the moment. If we just plug that into here also. There we go, we've got two dongles plugged in there now. And then we switch this to dongle modes. Plug that out. And we press F and Y. That, yep, there we go. That should be in dongle mode, fam. So now we've got a fully functioning, like literally desktop workspace using a mouse and a keyboard. Yeah, just because I've plugged my phone into this little CableTime USB-C hub with the little stand thing on my phone, fam. So man doesn't need a computer. Yeah, look, I got my phone. I'm just using my phone right now. Literally, can I go into Instagram? Where's Instagram? Let's pop open Instagram or something. Where's Instagram or Twitter? There's go. We got Instagram. Here we go. Instagram is just chilling here. I'm gonna put it over here. Fam, man can scroll Instagram, the same Instagram that's on my phone. Do you know what? Let's do a multitasking thing because you guys don't realize how deep this is. I'm gonna go to multitasking. Where's X or Twitter? Yeah, let's open Twitter here. Boom. Obviously, if we want to just resize Twitter, make it as big as it usually is on the phone, then we can do that, make it a bit longer. So we can scroll Twitter if we need to, and then we can scroll Instagram if we need to. What else can man open? Look, multitasking things. TikTok. Yeah, let's get TikTok open. Where's TikTok? TikTok is here as well. Oh, TikTok tried to do the full screen thing on me. Nah, I don't want the full screen thing though. I want, yeah, small up yourself, my G. Small up yourself. And then we're going to do that. There we go. We're going to make it a bit smaller like this. And we're going to just drag it up here. We're going to make this a little bit smaller there as well. Drag that out a bit. There we go. You see it? Fam. And obviously we can scroll here. Can I just scroll here as well? Boom. Man's got all my social media apps. Social media in now. What more do you want? What more do you actually want? Let me just minus that at the moment because that's making too much noise. Yeah, man, this little thing works really well. Now this is the SD card from my camera, innit, fam? So I just wanted to show you guys that the SD card slot works as well. Let's try and put that in there. Damn, it's been a long time since I've done a video with one hand. All right, SD card looks like it's nice and firmly in there. Let's go to like a file explorer kind of thing. What file explorers have we got on Android? I think it's literally just called files. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's make that a bit bigger. A lot of you didn't even know. Let me know in the comments section below if you already knew that Android could be used like a desktop like this. Not every single Android phone, certainly not the Google Pixel, but I know Samsung can do it. I know Motorola can do it. And I know even back in the day, the Microsoft Lumia 950 could do it as well. So anyway, here's the SD card that I just plugged in. And if I go to private, go to MP4 route, go to clip, you guys that mess with Sony cameras, you know how stressful it is to find your videos and stuff. But I should be able to just play this. There we go. There's some B-roll I took of a tablet there. If I come out of that, can go down again. Let's get some more B-roll going on. You see it kind of thing. So basically, we've got the whole desktop experience going on here. Mouse, keyboard, CableTime, USB-C hub, got a little SD card in there and everything, and got a monitor. We're good to go. And this is only with a smartphone, so obviously you can use this with your iPad or your compatible Android tablet, whatever you need to use it for. Oh, and furthermore, my phone is charging whilst it's in here, so it's not like it's going to run out of battery. Let me just show you that. I'll just go into Ampere. That should load up, and it should show that my phone is, yeah, there you go, charging 72% at the moment. Yep, there's my phone battery. It's all plugged in, fam. It's plugged in and doing its thing. There you go. You can see the charging rate, and you've still got Instagram doing its thing in the background, kind of thing. It's actually crazy what you can do with Android at the moment. Like if I want to go into, let's go into Jamo Be Hungry, you know, hold my other page kind of thing. Let me just squeeze that up. There we go. You see it? Jamo Be Hungry is there, fam. The food is there. And then obviously you got Twitter in the background doing its thing, or X in the background, whatever you want to call it nowadays. Wavy, man. Definitely a wavy little device. And then I really love this folding mechanism, because when I'm done now, see I'm finished, I'm going to just plug out my phone, put my phone to the side, then I'm going to just flap that down, then I'm going to slap that down as well. We'll just plug out these two and literally plug out this USB-C cable here. And we're good to go and fit this in the bag and keep it moving, fam. So anyway, yeah, that's the CableTime 8-in-1 USB-C hub with a little stand. I just wanted to show you, actually, it's actually strong enough to hold my laptop. It's actually a very strong stand. Look, watch this. Right, so as you can see, guys, like this is a whole laptop. It's a whole Slim 7 Pro. Yeah, so there's the thing. Man's just gonna put this on top like so. You see it? We're actually good to go. We're actually very much good to go, fam. Like if I wanted to open it, okay, that's not very stable, but still, it can possibly happen if you just leave it in a corner and don't touch it at all. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Big shout out to the guys at CableTime for sponsoring this video. Links for this product are in the description section below. Like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.